78% of homeowners regret at least one major upgrade they made. And I'm about to show you the 8 worst offenders that'll drain your bank account and destroy your peace of mind. From kitchen features that turn into full-time cleaning jobs to bathroom upgrades that actually gross out buyers, we're covering the home features that look incredible in showrooms but become nightmares the second you move in. And number 4? It's literally growing bacteria while you're watching this video. Smash that like button if you don't want to waste thousands on upgrades you'll hate, and let's dive in. First up, glass kitchen cabinets. Everyone thinks these look clean and modern until they install them. Here's what actually happens. Every single fingerprint shows up like you're running a crime scene investigation in your own kitchen. Your kids touch them? Visible. You grab a handle after cooking? Smudge City. And here's the kicker, everything inside needs to look perfect 24/7. Mismatched mugs? Everyone sees them. A random stack of plastic containers? Your kitchen instantly looks messy even when it's clean. Plus, one accidental slam and you're replacing a $400 glass panel. Use glass strategically, maybe one display cabinet, but making your entire kitchen see-through is setting yourself up for constant frustration. Number 2, waterfall countertops. These are the ones where your expensive granite or quartz flows down the side of your island all the way to the floor. Looks fancy in design magazines, right? But let me ask you this, why would you put your most expensive material at shin level where it takes the most abuse? Bar stools scrape it. Grocery bags hit it, kids kick it, and repairs? They're insanely expensive because you can't just patch a waterfall edge. And here's what nobody mentions, you lose comfortable seating. Bar stools with backs don't fit underneath properly. Your legs hit the stone, everyone sits awkwardly. So instead of looking high-end, your kitchen feels uncomfortable and your wallet just got a lot lighter. That money would be way better spent on professional-grade appliances or even just saved for something you'll actually enjoy. Moving on to number 3, wall-to-wall open shelving in kitchens. I know it looks beautiful on Pinterest. Perfectly stacked white dishes, maybe a succulent, a vintage cookbook. But that's a staged photo, not real life. In reality, you're washing your dishes before you use them because everything sitting out collects dust, cooking grease, and steam. And unless every single dish you own matches perfectly, your shelves look like you're running a thrift store. Nobody maintains a magazine-ready kitchen every single day, especially if you actually cook. Cabinets exist for a reason. They hide the mess, protect your dishes, and keep your kitchen looking clean without constant effort. 1 or 2 open shelves for decoration? Great. Making it your entire storage system? You'll regret it within a month. Number 4, and this one's disgusting, jetted Whirlpool tubs. These seemed luxurious 20 years ago, but here's the truth. Those jets are breeding grounds for bacteria and mold. The pipes behind them hold standing water that never fully drains. Every time you turn them on, you're basically showering yourself with whatever's been growing in there. And filling one of these things takes 20 minutes, they're loud. And most people use them maybe twice before they become an expensive place to store bath toys. If you want a relaxing soak, get a simple freestanding tub. Add some bath salts, and you're done. No hidden bacteria, no complicated maintenance, and buyers won't immediately want to rip it out when they see your house. Number 5, completely open floor plans with zero separation. Open concept is popular, but you need at least one room with a door. Trying to take a work call while someone's running the blender? Impossible. Kids doing homework while you're watching TV? Everyone's distracted. Everything echoes through the house. There's no quiet space to think, work, or even have a private conversation. Now, if you've got a massive luxury home with thousands of square feet, open concept is fine because you have other rooms to escape to. But in a smaller home, especially single-story layouts, removing every wall turns your house into chaos. Keep one office, one den, even a large closet with a desk. You don't realize how valuable a door is until you don't have one. Number 6, giant centerpiece bathtubs in the middle of your primary bathroom. The ones that sit there like a sculpture, taking up half the room. They photograph beautifully, but here's reality. Most people don't use them. Showers are where it's at. That massive tub is just wasted space that could have been used for better storage, a bigger shower, or literally anything more practical. If you're going to upgrade your bathroom, focus on making your shower incredible. Rainfall shower heads, built-in benches, multiple jets, even a steam option. That's what you'll actually use every single day, not a decorative tub that sits empty 99% of the time. Number 7, marble countertops everywhere. Yes, they're gorgeous. Yes, they scream luxury. But are they practical? Absolutely not. Marble etches, stains, and scratches with basically zero effort. Lemon juice, stain, wine, stain, tomato sauce? Stain. I've watched people spend $20,000 on marble countertops and then ruin them at their first dinner party because someone spilled red wine and you can't just wipe it away. That stain is permanent. If you love the marble look, go with quartz that mimics marble. You get the same beautiful veining, the same elegant appearance, but it actually stands up to real life. No babysitting required, no anxiety every time someone sets down a glass. And finally, number 8, combination microwave and oven units. These sound convenient, right? Everything built in, space-saving, all in one spot. But here's the problem. When the microwave breaks, you're replacing the entire unit even if the oven still works perfectly. And finding a matching replacement? Good luck. You might be waiting months. Plus, neither appliance performs well. The microwave is smaller and weaker than a standalone unit, and the oven is usually mid-grade at best. You're paying premium prices for mediocre performance. The smarter move is buying separate appliances. You'll get better quality, better performance, each piece lasts longer, and when one breaks, you only replace one. It's that simple. Look, there's a massive difference between home features that photograph well and ones you actually want to live with every single day. Don't chase trends just because they look good on social media. Think about how you'll really use your space, how much maintenance you're willing to do, and whether that expensive upgrade actually makes your life better or just looks impressive. If this video saved you from making a huge mistake, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss part 2 where we're recovering even more home features buyers hate. Drop a comment and tell me which one of these you've seen in real life or which upgrade you regret the most. I'll see you in the next video.